respond to your message soon. We can do the one-on-one. Just probably not today. Market's open. I missed TAOP. That's embarrassing. I got to come back over here. I'm missing everything. A little bit of slow or execution there. I'm turning my volume off. Unfortunately, I missed that TAOP. Are you kidding me? I lost a lot of money there. I might have to. This might be a back-to-back red day. Ah, dude, IVP. That was that could have been a phenomenal trade. That bottoming tail there, perfect. 490 to 530. I could have made like a ton of money on that. I'm just still so bummed about yesterday. If I'm missing a ticker, let me know, guys. It's hard because I keep going back between C-pop and the other one, except this one just went. There, I got my money back. That was a nice pop on C-pop. I'm having to trade a little bit conservative today because of the red day yesterday. IVP, that was an unfortunate thing to have happen. Wow. Oh my gosh. 427 red. It's starting to feel like a back-to-back red date. I got it. It's just ridiculous. It goes to 14, I sell, I get one. So market orders on this one. I've not been having a whole lot of luck. just with how choppy it is. I'm not gonna say it's weak. I'm just gonna say it's choppy. See that run up to 405 and right back down to 395. It's a bit all over the place, unfortunately. Like, what the hell? It's a risky stock. What the? I'm getting out there. Yeah, I'm not vibing today with it. Price actions look goofy. I got to size down. It's just like super choppy. I really don't feel confident enough to. 97. Well, this kind of sucks. Possible flush here. Down 500 on this already. I've had to take it slow because Max lost day yesterday, and market just does not seem to be rebounding. There we go. I only got 12. Well, no, I got more than 1,200 because I was down 500. That was almost a $2,000 trade right there. I saw that. I saw that false breakdown. Nice. That was a quick trade. Those trades sometimes don't work, but CPOP, I felt it had a good shot of doing it just because of how volatile it was. So I was able to get in at 40 at 397, out at 426 in about 1 second. If you cut that trade, hit the like button. Mm, 5-minute chart on CPOP is questionable. I don't know. Maybe just take the $1,300 and be done. You know, yesterday I traded for so long. Why not today? I purposely undertrade. I used to do that as a beginner trader when I had to learn these lessons for the first time. I break my rules, but I know what my rules are, and I know how to be profitable. I know how to get out of holes. I know how to come back from very, I don't want to say catastrophic, but very debilitating drawdowns in markets. You know, so that's why I say learn the rules like a pro so you can break them like an artist. Beginner traders need not follow me into lack of discipline. You have to stick to your rules. And then once you've mastered them, once you've got money under your belt, okay, then maybe you can break some rules. I don't know. It's hard to trust this year, in my opinion. Yeah, I got the 1,300. I want to keep it. I don't want to lose it. Because I was looking at another red day and then I caught a big trade here. That was a really big trade. I don't know if I would say big, but it was a good. Frick. Good thing I got out of 413. So I'm saying this thing is so choppy. What the? I thought we might rip there. Ah, shoot. I'm losing my profits. I don't know if the 10-second chart's making any sense on this or not. I should have bought it. This thing likes to drop out of nowhere. All the time. Freaking heck, bro. Okay, see, I told you. Where am I at? 1,000 here. I might just have to keep that, honestly. I'm sizing down. I'm sizing way down. It's so frustrating. Yeah, I feel like this is gonna fail. I got 1,100. I got up to 13 or 14, and I think this one might be it. Got a little bit of profit there. That dip, you could have bought that dip if you were aggressive. That's a dip that I think I maybe should have bought. The reason being was how it rebounded here so well. So when it dropped down to 375, I think that would have been a great buy. Popped up 25 cents from the lows. It moves exactly like REBN. I should have bought the dip, Caburo. Now that I look back, that should have been a no question buy. Yeah. Yeah, I have Frank. Yeah, Tim trades the 50-50 without a doubt. Uh, this is a tough stock. Frank, are you insinuating there's something here? The next key level I see is 984. Yeah, C pop could go. I tried to buy the dip. I'm just really feeling like this $1,000 is what I just need to take. Yeah, 5 minutes starting to reverse. It looks like kind of starting to look like backside. Have to let this one go. I mean, it really just feels like we're getting into an extended slow period. I'm afraid that maybe that's the case. Maybe the rest of 24 is just going to be junk like this. I mean, it could be. What's stopping it from happening? Start of this year was so unbelievably strong that maybe we're going to finish the year unbelievably so slow. I don't know. You could have gone for this dip. I just feel like it's shaky, hard to trust. Although, if I was to buy, it probably should be right here. I'm just not gonna because of the risk of it just dropping out further. INOD, I do see it. I'm not sold on it. Actually, I'm not sold on it at all. Looks like garbage. Garbage. Soon to be garbage. I don't know, man. Just might be have to walk away here. Tried. You could tell other people are trying to buy there too, and there they get stopped out. I'm going to let this one go. I'm gonna let this one go because the market yesterday was garb. And the market today was garb. So because of my max loss day yesterday, I don't want to risk what I got, especially on what I'm seeing now, which is choppy, and it's selling off now. TAOP, our second option, it's already dead. IVP had a great trade at the. I mean, I didn't hit it, but had you hit this, oh my goodness, hey, that trade alone could have made a ton of money on. But that failed, and then you got this. Possible flush on CPOP. If it's as weak as I think it is, this thing could just drop out here like no tomorrow. No, we're getting support. This might. I don't know. I told myself not to touch it. Now I'm already starting to get ready to touch it. That's the gambler's mindset. So we're trying, and we all come pre-programmed for the gambler's mindset, which is why we spend a lot of time developing the trader's mindset. Will T+1 bring more volume to the market? I don't think overnight it will, but maybe in the long run, yeah, maybe. If it allows people with smaller accounts to day trade more, because at this point, day trading is out of reach for a lot of people. Caught a nice trade there. Dub false breakdown setup there. It's the meat and potatoes of 50-50 trading farmer. I should have taken that trade with more size. That's the kind of trade I could have made a lot more money on. That's too bad. Yeah, I don't know. Selling early is just always the case with the 50-50 because we're locking in the profits pretty quick. Although, again, we like to look for those couple trades a day that are going to be really good, and I think this one should have been it for me. This one I should have been with 10,000 shares holding up to here. It should have been like a $2,000-$3,000 winner. But look at that. Yeah, that's a good sign. But damn, I really missed that one. Yeah, I don't know. I've tried it so many times where it's like, okay, I'm gonna hold this one, and I'm telling you, every time you decide to hold it, always something stupid happens, like it flushes, and then every time you say, okay, I'm gonna take my profit, it's gonna go. It's the way it works. I got scared. I should have stayed in that one. What's up? Are you trading? These South Carolina scallywags. I kind of have to go to the bathroom, but I don't want to miss a trade. Yeah, the 5 minute kind of looks a little broken though. Frank Spage. This was a pullback to clear support. Man, I don't want to leave. I want to stay, but oh, what the hell? Let's see if it gets bought up. I don't know if it will. The sellers are kind of stacked here. So I got about $1,500 now. And careful, guys. This one might sell off. You got to be careful. How's the family doing? Yeah, I don't know if I want to chase it down here. All right, what tickers do we got going on here? NTLB. NTBL. Well, it's definitely shot up. I mean, I'm still reeling from my loss yesterday. It's just like sucks. A little bit of a double bottom here. We got like a secondary support line down here that I'm starting to eyeball. I'm not sure how it's going to interact with it, but I do believe that that line down here is a valid ascending support line. I do believe it is a valid one. Will it be respected? I'm not sure. And do I have it drawn perfectly? Probably not. I tried to hotkey out of it, and then it went. I was apparently clicked on this chart over here. Okay, so I caught that bottom, but not with big size. Uh, COVID. Lost $50. Shoot. Lost $100. Easy. I had the right idea. Freaking heck. I don't think I even got any profit on that. Son of a. I should have bought it down here like I said I was gonna. I got scared. Now I'm buying high. 5-minute does look good, but now it's rejecting. I think it's gonna maybe need a chop around down here before we get the rebound. Nah, C pop looks like it's gonna go. Well, actually, I don't know. Maybe not. Just because of how weak this is. Yeah, sure enough, back down. Ugh, what a day. It's either gotta go or I'm out. Girlfriend says, follow my rules today. Yeah, I was pretty pissed yesterday just because of my lack of discipline. Hmm. I don't know. It's okay. GTHX, 50 million share float. I made 13 bucks there. What a waste of time. I see Pop's running out of steam here. I should have got it down here. I told myself, I'm like, here's clear support. I should be buying at 323. I guess in my defense, it didn't really pop up that strong. But this is the kind of day you got to be careful. Okay. I'm telling you right now, the market's not that strong. It's not that good. We're getting random stuff popping. But that's it. Get back 50 there. I don't know why I even bought that. I lost 100 bucks there now too. I probably should have not taken 5,000 shares there. Oh wow, then it did go. Maybe not. Okay, we might have to let that die a peaceful death. I do see the 5-minute curling still, but Daisy, you need to go outside? The 50 million share float, I'm not really too interested myself. If you used to ask me. As I say that, look at that. That was a nice little rip there. But high float. See Pop losing volume fast. It's bleeding. This was a nice rebound here. This was not. You can see this was that one trade I should have hit. It's going to be hard for me to justify taking any trades down here. See, Robbie, Ziddy, Blair, this is BS. Yeah, this is the kind of market where the profits go out pretty quick, and that's why I'm kind of sitting here like, my gut's telling me just to take this and go. Wow. C pop is starting to drop. Bye bye. I'm not trading it anymore. I'm tempted, but I've learned from REB on yesterday. It's just no. This one I might just play around with. Sure enough. Really? What did I lose? $70 over there? Stupid. I wish, Christopher. C pop, we had something. We had this one trade and this one. So as far as I'm concerned, for me, it was this one, and I should have hit this one harder. That was it, you know. And now it's like, shoot, I want to try to go for the rebound, but we're not in the market for rebounds right now. It's just the market continually is kind of stuck here, slow, which I suspected. I thought this week things would heat up a little bit, which maybe they had. I mean, Monday 6,800 for me, and Tuesday 35 or 33. Um, Unfortunately, Wednesday could have been another green day. Uh, and Oh. So when it stocks below VWAP like this far below VWAP, it's usually done. There's kind of a difference between being this far away from VWAP and then being this far from VWAP. It's a little bit of a difference there. You know, and plus we add in all this price action here, which has just been, it's just red, 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 red. It's clearly not that strong. You come here, you look at the volume profile. We have some green spikes, but not super solid green spikes, and then a lot of red. So that's just the nature of the beast. There we go. Got a nice little trade here on this one. I did not get a good exit though. Guess I should have held it. Sold out at 82. Come on. It's like, bro. Hey, dog, you want to go potty? Almost, yeah. Mm. So I was able to pull a little bit out of this thing. $200. That's nice. It's bringing the public for a bit. We retain the mature people, which is good. It's just today is all just me thinking about yesterday. Stupid. Looks like a lot of people. We got Mike R finishing green. We got AZG green. Heaven with a D green. BZ down 37. Max loss. Hockey's didn't work to sell. He says. Shot you a DM. This guy says, "Good morning, twin." C Pop passed away. And it failed. Might go for a dub pattern on this 1 minute here. Part of me thinks maybe should just take it, but we'll see how it interacts down here. And it's not looking so good. I don't like that look. Unless this goes into a huge bottoming tail. Nah, we better wait on this one, guys. Yeah, I mean, Sana, maybe. I should have taken the dip as I thought. Yeah. So the ask built, it was at 170, then went to 90, so that was my reason for cutting it. But now it's back down to 150. I should have taken the dub pattern. It works perfectly. Almost. I missed that trade. That very clear support. I'm gonna turn that into a meme. You scallywags. I see Pop might go for a bit. Yeah, ran out of steam there. I'm gonna try to hold this to VWAP, but I'll cut it at any second. It's a higher flow, and it's probably gonna chop around. I wouldn't be surprised if it stops me out and then rips. What? You miss Parker? Parker is no more. I might be, yeah, I don't know. Come on, give me a rippy piece of crap. I'm cutting it there. I can't stand to watch it any longer. But they want to go to Starbucks. Yeah. Which ones are you looking for? Really? Ah, that sucks. That one should have went. I guess I had my chance to get out, but I didn't. So it goes. Oh, this one. There it goes. That's the thing with these higher floats is they do that extra chop, but they usually do what you predict. They just go at a little bit slower tempo, and that's the rhythm of those ones. I'm trying to get dialed in on that. This one, unfortunately, is probably done. I mean, actually, it is done, unless a miracle happens and it just comes out of nowhere, which it could, but